In 2026, most property investors will do exactly what they have always done. They will open Rightmove, scroll through Zoopla, compete with thousands of other buyers for the same overpriced listings, and at the end of it all, they will proudly overpay for what they call a good deal. But in reality, they are gambling. Meanwhile, a small group of quiet investors are playing a completely different game. They are acquiring properties at 10, 20, even 30% below market value, not through luck, not through family connections, not through timing the market, through a repeatable system. And in this video, I am giving you that system. No hype, no vague advice, no wait for the crash nonsense. I will show you exactly where BMV deals are coming from in 2026, why most investors will never see them, and how serious investors manufacture equity from day one. Watch this carefully, because this is the difference between owning one rental property and building a portfolio that actually scales. Let us be brutally honest about something. For the last decade, property investing in the UK was easy. You could overpay, buy badly, ignore the fundamentals entirely, and inflation would bail you out. Prices rose so consistently that even poor decisions looked like genius moves 5 years later. That era is over. 2026 is not a crash. Let me be clear about that, but it is a reset. We are operating in a 2 to 4% annual growth environment. In some areas, growth is effectively zero. And in that environment, one truth matters more than anything else you will hear about property this year. Your profit is made the day you buy, not the day you sell. This is called manufacturing equity. And if you understand nothing else from this video, understand this. If you purchase a property worth £200,000 for $150,000, you did not hope for profit. You did not wait for the market. You created £50,000 of equity the moment you exchanged contracts. That £50,000 does 3 critical things for you. First, it protects you from market corrections. If values drop 10%, you are still in positive equity. You have a buffer. Second, it becomes leverage for your next acquisition. Banks lend against equity. More equity means more borrowing power. Third, it enables refinancing and recycling. You can pull that equity out, recover your capital, and deploy it into your next deal. And here is why 2026 is actually a gold mine for BMV investors. Not despite the challenging conditions, because of them. Motivated sellers are rising across the UK. Thousands of landlords locked in mortgages at 2% are now facing resets at 5%. Even 6%. Their margins have evaporated. EPC upgrade deadlines are forcing sales. Properties rated D and below face increasingly restrictive letting rules. The cost of upgrading older stock, often tens of thousands of pounds. For tired landlords, selling at a discount is cheaper than compliance. Probate and inherited properties are flooding the market. The post-pandemic inheritance wave is real. Beneficiaries who have inherited mom's old house often want cash, not the hassle of being landlords. Here is what connects all 3 scenarios. These sellers do not want top price. They want certainty. They want speed. They want simplicity. They want to move on with their lives. And that is the opportunity intelligent investors are capitalizing on right now. The second factor working in your favor, time is back on the buyer's side. Listings are sitting longer. Price reductions are increasing. Estate agents who once dismissed any offer below asking are now returning phone calls. This is a negotiator's market, perhaps the best we have seen in a decade, but only if you know what you are doing, only if you have a system. Now let us get specific, because BMV deals can technically happen anywhere, but professional investors do not rely on luck. They stack the odds. They focus resources where motivated sellers concentrate, where yields compensate for risk, where the fundamentals support long-term growth. Let us start with the Northwest, and specifically the 2 powerhouse cities driving BMV opportunity in 2026. Manchester. This city has undergone one of the most significant transformations of any UK regional center. Massive regeneration, a world-class university retaining graduates, a growing tech sector pulling talent from London. Certain postcodes are still delivering 8 to 9% gross yields. That is exceptional for a city of this caliber. Where should you concentrate? 2 and 3 bedroom terraces, particularly those on the edges of regeneration zones. Look for tired landlord stock, properties that have been rented for 15, 20 years with minimal updates. The sellers are exhausted, the properties need modernization, and that is where your negotiating power lives. Then there is Liverpool, still one of the best yield cities in the United Kingdom. And despite years of investor attention, deep discounts remain available for those who know where to look. Pay attention to Kensington, Wavertree, and for those with higher risk tolerance, Toxteth is showing early-stage uplift indicators. The regeneration spillover from the city center is real, but you need to move before the market fully prices it in. Moving to the Midlands engine. Birmingham remains the anchor, strong rental demand from a young, growing population, a significant auction pipeline creating regular BMV opportunities, and increasingly portfolio sell-offs as over-leveraged landlords exit. But do not overlook Wolverhampton. Lower entry prices than Birmingham, but benefiting from the same regional growth tailwind. For cash flow-focused investors, the numbers often work better here. Finally, what I call the high-yield frontiers: Newcastle, Teesside, Sunderland. These areas share common characteristics: older housing stock, significant EPC pressure forcing sales, and entry prices that allow genuine cash flow positive investing from day one. Now, a word of caution: high yields come with considerations. Tenant demographics, management intensity, exit liquidity. These are not passive investments, but for investors who understand the trade-offs, the mathematics can be compelling. The common thread across all these regions: you are not looking for nice properties. You are looking for motivated situations. A beautiful property with an unmotivated seller will never be BMV. A tired property with a desperate seller, that is where equity is manufactured. Let me address something that separates investors who succeed from those who spend years researching without ever buying. Most investors wait for permission. Permission from the market. Is it the right time? Permission from the news. What are the experts predicting? Permission from interest rates. Should I wait for cuts? Permission from other people. What does my family think? Professional investors do not wait for permission. They build systems. BMV investing is not about being cleverer than everyone else. It is not about having insider connections. It is not about timing. It is about being prepared when opportunity arrives, having your finance arranged, knowing your target areas, understanding your numbers cold, moving decisively when others hesitate. Consider this scenario. A motivated seller needs to complete within 6 weeks. They will accept 15% below market value for certainty. 2 investors hear about it. Investor A needs to speak to their broker, run the numbers, see a few more options first. Investor B has their mortgage in principle, knows their maximum offer within 10 minutes, makes a structured proposal that afternoon. Who secures the deal? This is not about having more money. It is about having more readiness. Here is a truth that took me years to fully appreciate. The investors who build significant portfolios do not do it by waiting for the perfect market. They do it by being active in every market, finding value when others see only obstacles, creating equity when others create excuses. 2026 is not a market where you sit back and watch prices rise. It is a market where you manufacture your returns, where preparation matters, where skill separates professionals from amateurs. The question is not whether BMV opportunities exist, they do. The question is whether you are equipped to identify and capture them. And if you master this now in this market, you will not just survive this cycle, you will dominate the next one. If you want to shortcut everything you have just learned, I have put together something specifically for serious investors, the BMV Deal Finders Checklist. It covers the exact sourcing process professionals use, the valuation checks that prevent overpaying, the seller motivation questions that unlock genuine discounts. Grab it from the first link in the description. It is completely free, and if you are serious about building a real property portfolio, hit subscribe. Because in the next video, I am breaking down exactly how to fund these deals without depleting your own savings, creative finance strategies, investor partnerships, the funding approaches that let you scale faster than your bank balance alone would allow. I will see you there. This is educational content only. I'm not your financial or legal advisor. Property values and income vary. Always do your own research and seek professional advice before investing.